So what is the problem that we are going to deal about? Yesterday we did till first 6 problems. हो गया दोनों का finished पक्का. 7th problem, what about it? Finished, done. 9th problem good అయిపోయింది. Okay, good. So we need your doubt is 8th problem. Right, xy is a line parallel to side BC of a triangle ABC. If B is parallel to AC and CF parallel to AB, they both meet xy at E and F respectively, both sides. Then show that area of triangle ABE is equal to area of triangle ACF. It's a good question. So let me write the given to prove on the board. చెప్పండి షారాన్, గివెన్ చెప్పండి, ఫిగర్ చెప్పండి. xy is a line parallel to side BC of a triangle ABC. This is a triangle ABC. First you need to draw the triangle ABC. Is parallel to AC. If BE is parallel to AC and CF is parallel to AB. So what you have taken? The line is inside or outside? Let us take. Very good. So first we will write given. Let us start writing given. In the given, what you will write? Triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Okay. Then XY parallel to BC. The third side. This is the third side. And all the other are given. BE is parallel to AC and meet XY at E. CF parallel to AB and meet XY at F respectively. This is the given. Next, to prove, simple statement. Area of triangle ABE. This one. ABE equal to area of triangle, might be this, ACF. You might have asked this. Area of triangle ABE is equal to area of triangle ACF. Next, proof. You are going with the proof. Now you have to think here. What you have to think? You want to prove, you want to have these two areas to be equal. Now you know that these two sides are equal, these two are equal, no need of going for this. Now you can see that this is a parallelogram, right? This is a parallelogram and this is a triangle. AEB is a triangle, and if you see there, this is a line of extension. If this is your thinking, I'll use the blue pen, you can understand clearly. Now if you can see here that this is a line of parallel, then this is a parallelogram, this is the required triangle. Parallelogram and required triangle on the same base and between the same. This is a common base. B is the common base. This is a parallelogram here. This is a triangle here. Both are on the same base and between the same parallels. Clear? Similarly, in why? The fact is, in CBSE, the question or the model will be the same, but they just only give some modification, hide out the things. This is hiding of things. Okay, so let us write the proof. In parallelograms between XY and BC, area of parallelogram BCQE equal to area of parallelogram BCFP. Why? You can write theorem number 9.1. What is the theorem number 9.1? Parallelograms on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. Already you have done it. Next, going to the second statement. Now, between lines B and AC, area of triangle AEB is equal to half the area of parallelogram BCQE. Already I told you did the proof for this. Written the proof. You did it, na? Remember, I told you to note down this. This is as a problem was there. It was an example problem, but I told you to make it do it as a theorem. Did it right? In the earlier. చేశారుగా మంచిది. This one, theorem 9.1. This one, theorem. Did it right? Used it? Same one. So this is the theorem 9.2 or 9.2. Similarly, between lines, tell me, CF and AB, area of triangle ACF equal to half area of parallelogram. What parallelogram? BCFP. Same theorem. And in your notebook, you will be writing the whole theorem. For the shortcut, I have written here, but you have to write the whole theorem on the notebook. Next, from this is 1, I'm taking this as 1 and I'm taking this as 2. Put 1 and 2 in the in A. What is that? Now area of BCQE will represent by 2 times area of triangle AEB equal to, write better, will write area of BCQE equal to area of BCFP. Therefore, area of AEB equal to area of 2 times area of AEB equal 2 times area of ACF. Therefore, 2 we are cancelling and area of AEB equal to area of ACF. Hence proof. Okay, this is a simple logical proof. There are a lot of activities involved in this, which is this only. If you understand this part and you get the idea of this part, how to substitute this, problem is over. Only 2 logics. For these 2 logics only they are giving 4 marks. Clear? చిన్నదే చేసుకోండి. Okay. Next problem, 9th problem. 10th. So you want me to do 10th on now on board? Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to CD intersect each other at O. Prove that area of AOD equal to area of BOC. Copied this down. Copy it down. Then we will go with the 10th problem. I will next do the 10th problem on board. Diagram also drawn, na? Nicely. Draw diagrams nicely. Draw a little bit big. Repeat. I feel this is the most easiest one. Got it right? You have finished reading? Over? Okay. So the next one is about there is a trapezium named ABCD. There is a trapezium named ABCD. The diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD. It is given. So intersect each other at O. Okay, the diagonals are intersecting each other at O. So then prove that area of triangle AOD equal to area of triangle BOC. AOD equal to area of triangle BOC. Therefore, you can take that in trapezium ABCD. So in the trapezium there are one pair of parallel sides. Okay, and there are one pair of non-parallel sides. Might be equal or might not be equal based on regular trapezium or not. Regular trapezium means those sides will be equal. Non-parallel sides. Okay. For regular trapezium, for irregular trapezium, may or may not be. May not, it will not. Okay. Now in trapezium ABCD, what we have? We have AB is parallel to CD, which is given. Now therefore, in triangle ABD and triangle ABC, area of ABD equal to area of ABC. Why? Theorem 0.3. Triangles on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. Done. Next. Now AOB area of AOB is common in that. So removing, or you can write subtracting area of AOB from above. You will have area of ABD minus area of AOB equal to area of ABC minus area of AOB. Therefore, we will get ABD minus AOB. ABD minus AOB. Therefore, this limit will be removed. Small triangle will be left over. That is AOD triangle will be left over. This side, the triangle that will be left over is from ABC. If we remove AOB, then we will be left with BOC. This is the proof for the next problem. Simple thing, very simple thing. You have this big triangle, this triangle you are having, so you are removing this common triangle. Therefore, these two triangles will get it. Same. Sarpotadu Rasen. This is a very simple problem. You can do it very easily. We'll go pass on to the next problem. If we go forward, we will pass on to the next problem. So do it fast. We will go for 11th problem. We have a problem on pentagon. That's why after this quadrilaterals, everything we have the application of quadrilateral and a triangle combined together, framing different figures. So you can do any big larger figure. Once you are perfect with quadrilaterals and triangles, you can do anything. That is the advantage of. That's why in NCERT quadrilaterals and triangles are given more stress. Okay, the next problem is in figure 2.9.27. You can see there that ABCDE is a parallelogram. ABCD is a pentagon. It's a pentagon. ABCD 5 are there, no? That's why it's a pentagon. A line through B parallel to AC. A line through B parallel to AC meets DC produced at F. Show that there are two things that you have to prove. So let's draw the diagram first. First you should understand the diagram first. So it is given that it is having a pentagon. This is a pentagon. Okay. B also there. Sorry. This is a pentagon actually. This is a pentagon. This is A. This is B. This is C, D, E. You can join other diagonals also. But currently we don't require any diagonal being joined. First is this figure. You should draw this figure first. Then what happened? Then he told that a line through B parallel to AC. Parallel to AC means first we draw AC. And line through B parallel to AC like this meets DC produced to F. That means DC is produced to some forward point, then it is meeting F. So now he is asking to prove. Therefore, you will write pentagon ABCDE and AC is parallel to BF. Okay, AC is parallel to BF. That's what you need. None other is required. To prove, there are two things to prove. The first thing you need to prove is area of ACB equal to area of ACF. Same type like earlier. Area of AEDF equal to area of ABCD. First one is area of triangle ACB. ACB equal to ACF. Therefore join this. Okay. So this we can easily do because it triangles on the same base and between the same parallels. First point will be done very easily. Second one AEDF equal to ABCD. ABCD means pentagon. Nothing. Simple. You will add AEDC. This small quadrilateral you will add on both sides. Then you will get the whole figure. So I am doing here. You can see. In triangle ABC and triangle ACF, AC parallel to BF. This is given. Now triangle area of triangle ABC equal to area of triangle ACF. Why? Because theorem 9.3 which states that if we write 9.3 9.2 like that, I am making you revise. What is the 9.3 theorem? What is the 9.3 theorem? जोर से बोलो. You are not having snacks like that. नहीं खाते. आदत नहीं है. Why fast? Today is Mahashivratri. It comes in February, na? Huh? Oh, okay. I got it in North India. That's why that morning also some Amarnath Yatra, some festival that also Shivratri did. Right. I got it. Oh, that is a special thing. So that's why we are doing fasting. First time in your life. All the best. That's good for health. No problem. In lockdown, such types of things you should do. Because if we don't do na, jumbo size 0. Many people have become fat, especially. So we should be more health conscious. Health conscious means we should have a balanced diet. Whenever we think it's over, decrease. Whenever we think we decrease, it is less, increase. Simple. Means we are going about that central max line is there. That is average line. We are going fluctuating up and down. This should happen especially. And your conscious should work according to that. Means how much amount of food I need, how much calories we need. If that is maintained, no need of worrying about corona. Will not come. Asymptomatic case. Okay. So that now come back here. Area of triangle ABC equal to area of triangle ACF due to theorem 9.3. Already we know that. Next, this means the first part of it is proved. We'll go to the second part. In second part, adding this area of quadrilateral. This is a quadrilateral, right? AEDC is a quadrilateral on both sides. I use a lot of short forms. You can understand that short forms. ABC plus area of AEDC equal to area of ACF plus area of AEDC. So now if we add here ABC plus AEDC, ABC plus AEDC, this and this will make a original, see here, pentagon. So this is area of pentagon. ABCDE equal to area of ACF. ACF and adding this pentagon. AEDF. AEDF. It is not pentagon. It becomes quadrilateral now. Why? Because it is a straight line produced. Due to that only it became a quadrilateral. AEDF equal to area of ABCD. Hence proved. And I've written a lot of shortcuts, only one theorem used here. And main important fact here is in examinations, they don't give like that. They give that this area of AEDF is equal to the area of the pentagon. Pentagon is there, na? ABCD. Use your mind there. These type of small twists they give in examinations. Change the value changing means like this only, and give in the NCERT examinations. That's what will happen. Not more than that. Clear? Okay, this problem is also over. So we'll go with the 12th problem. Find. Do it. You told that you have that R.D. Sharma. That also finished, huh? Right. Okay, right. Continue for this. Only 5 problems are left now. 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more problems are there. 5 and this one 6. So 6 problems. For 6 problems, why no new notes? Already we did a lot of theories, lot of concepts. That's why we have started online learning late. Otherwise, we would have done those videos also. we have to do, if we have time, after we complete physics, we will go with R.D. Sharma content also. Shreya not never touched R.D. Sharma. No? She completed algebraic expressions from R.D. Sharma. So you have to complete that also. Some important questions I tick mark, na? You give her. She will do. Those are important for your examination part of it. You can do it. Write down. So what about 12th problem? You will do on your own or I need to do it? A villager Ritwari has a plot of land of the shape of quadrilateral. The Gram Panchayat of the village decided to take over some portion of his plot from one of the corners to construct a healthcare unit. Okay. Ritwari agrees to do the above proposal with the condition that he should be given equal amount of land in lieu of his land adjoining his plot, so as to form a triangular plot. Explain how this proposal will be implemented. So how will this be done? Is the question. Problem. I want anybody of you to read the problem once. You read, Shreya. Shreya, read the problem once so that Sharon will also understand. She doesn't have textbook. She's telling it is with me though. जोर से. Correct. Your imagination is correct, Sharon. So there is a parallelogram, and in between there is a midpoint called O. At the midpoint, he is cutting down the plot. The government one told. Generally, these things happen. Why? Because road winding lo poyindantaru. Ide. Yes. You know what is road winding? Extension of road. Some part of the land of the personal residential plot or the shopkeeper's shop, something will be cut down, and what the government will give compensation for it in the base of money, or if they have any government land in adjacent to it, they will give that land to that guy. That is one way. So similarly, we are having this Itwari person. He is having a land in the form of parallelogram. मान लो A B C D. So from one side, the government people came from this side, put it this mark as a center, and this mark is written as O, and from here he cut like this to the one of its opposite edge. You can take this edge or that edge, but that edge we are taking. Okay, and now this triangle is being given to the government. Now government in turn gave a lease of land like this, extended like this, and gave a lease the land like this. Yeah. So this is E. Now this area is being added to this person's land. This was given to government land for construction of health unit. Therefore, this unit is left. This is government land, which is not our, which is free, vacant. We don't want there. The Manlo road is in the CD direction. Then what the government will think, near this road there should be a public healthcare unit. So that PHU or PHC is kept here in this land of this person. He told, I will take some land. You give it that land. I will. So in compensation, he took this land. Now you have to prove that these two areas are same, because if he lose, he need to take money from the government, right? If he is losing land, but he is not taking, that means both the land area should be equal. Okay. adjoining piece only, no? This is adjoining piece only.
So ABCD is a quadrilateral. Where we have OC equal to OB. What are the facts? And AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD and AB equal to CD. Therefore, we are taking that it is ABCD is parallelogram. We are taking for time constraint. Why? Because we are not taking vague lands. Generally, lands are present in the form of parallelograms or square or rectangles or L-shaped figures. Triangles. They don't form in the irregular forms. Okay. Now, what is to prove? Area of triangle DOC equal to area of triangle BOE. Okay. So, Itwari's land is parallelogram ABC. Now, PHC unit, land donated. What is the land donated for PHC? Area of triangle DOC. Okay. Then land got as what it is called as compensation. Land got as compensation. What is the land got as compensation? Area of triangle BOE. So, area of triangle DOC should be equal to area of triangle BOE. So, you have to prove that. This is to prove. So, we did not write this before. In triangle DOC and triangle BOE, OC equal to OB given as it is midpoint. O is the midpoint. CD equal to BE. This is CD equal to B, right? So if you don't take CD equal to B, we can take angle DOC equal to angle BOE, vertically opposite angle, and you have angle DCO equal to angle EBO. Why? Alternate interior angles. As AB therefore triangle DOC is congruent to triangle BOE. EBO, EBO. You have to take exactly. This you should be careful. By which rule? Side angles. So therefore ASA congruency. Now area of DOC equal to area of EBO. Hence, this is the mathematical thing. This is a small thing where you have to understand what is the type of inputs that has given. Means this is practical application. Generally, where you are using this all congruence, where you are using equal areas, proves this concept. We are learning 4 chapters now in geometry. We did already. Every line by line, we've gone through every problem. What is its use? Somewhere it should use. Right? I'm learning something. I know a concept. What is utilization? Wherever I apply that concept, like this in the farms, this is civil engineering concept. Generally. Right? Civil engineering concept is there. For me, mechanical engineering concept is there. Electrical engineering concept is there. Everywhere, these type of simple geometrical mathematics are always used. Widely used, always used. For that only we are doing all this, right? So we'll copy this down and we'll meet again tomorrow. 13, 14, 15, 16, 4 problems are left. Then we'll be done with maths. This is your. Okay, Shara. చేసుకుంటారా? Any doubts till now? Yet? Any problem? Any doubts? No doubt. Pakka. Okay. We'll pack up for the day. Your exams are from 22nd, means Wednesday. So tomorrow is the last day of your coming to. Again we'll meet again after Saturday. With physics. Physics means perfectly we will do all pictures. Okay, copy it down. I'll close this.